You drink milk every morning. This is what will happen to your body. Damage your bones. Contrary to popular belief, milk is not good for your bones. Scientific studies have shown that high animal protein and sulfuric acid content in milk can lead to osteoarthritis, digestive problems. Milk is designed for calves to help them grow 100 kilograms in a few months, but it is not suitable for humans. This is why we often feel bloated because we have trouble digesting lactose. Increase facial acne. Dairy products contain natural growth hormones that may affect your body hormone levels and cause skin inflammation, which increases the occurrence of acne. Increased cancer risk. Some studies suggest that regular milk consumption may be associated with an increased risk of certain cancers, including breast, prostate, and ovarian cancers. Increased risk of heart disease. Milk is higher in saturated fat, which raises cholesterol levels and thus increases the risk of heart disease. Subscribe for more health tips.